The mic is a wireless clip-on that offers 24-bit, 48 kHz audio capture at up to an 820-foot distance. Built as DJI's first dedicated audio recording system, the mic can output through a 3.5mm jack, Lightning, and USB-C. It has two transmitters, each with built-in microphones. Both support omnidirectional audio, which DJI said is ideal for multi-person interviews or small studio operations. With DJI Mic, you can now easily record audio that matches the quality of your videos, said DJI in its announcement. It's ideal for creators looking to gain an edge and elevate their content to the next level. It delivers exceptional sound quality and dual-channel recording at distances of up to 250 meters. Switch on, connect, and record crystal clear audio on the go. If any of this interests you, the mic is now available in the US, but it costs $329. That's quite a lot, although this isn't your typical clip-on mic. It's an entire system packed with premium features. For instance, the mic offers sensitivity adjustments from -12 dB to +12 dB, as well as variable gain, and it has a furry accessory to help cut down on ambient disruptions such as wind. Other features include up to 14 hours of onboard memory, and up to 15 hours of battery life. The system includes a touchscreen too, for you to easily access channel selection and input-output settings. There's even an integrated back clip and clip magnets available, for you to conveniently attach the mic to whatever you desire. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, share the video with your friends. Just hit the subscribe button, and most importantly, have an awesome day. I'll catch all of you in the next video. See you.